Installation animation of Sinpolo wooden door. Check the height, width, and wall thickness of the opening on site to see if they match the dimensions on a door label. Make sure the product and package can be smoothly loaded into the opening. Prepare installation tools. Cut some thin wooden boards for later use. Fix the cut wooden boards in the opening, 4 on each side, to facilitate the subsequent installation of the door frame. Check product details. Assembling the door frame. Open the trimming cover slot at the door frame joint. Place the assembled door frame into the opening. Use wooden wedges to insert into the installation gap to adjust the horizontal and vertical position of the door frame. Nail the door frame. Fill the installation gap with foam glue. Fix the hinge on the door leaf first. Put the door leaf into the door frame and prepare to fix it. Put 1 screw on each hinge temporarily. After the door is closed and tested, put the remaining screws on. Install the lock on the door leaf. Open the installation hole of the lock box on the door frame. Install the lock box. Close the door and check whether the lock is installed correctly. Install door stopper. Cut the trimming cover angle. Apply a small amount of structural glue on the back of the trimming cover. Install the trimming cover. Apply glue to the bottom of the door frame and trimming cover for waterproofing. The side of the cover is then glued and sealed.